I've heard it said that people come into our life for a reason, bringing something we must learn. And we are led to those who help most to grow. If we let them and we help them return. Now I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I loved you. Like a comet rolling over. Like a stream that frozen, and it doesn't what say over. Because I knew you, I haven't changed. For good. That we will never meet again in this lifetime. To let me say what we were. So much of me is made from what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have written mine by being alone. Let's just follow the wind of the sea. I could see a drop like diamond instead of look and say if I've been changed for the better, but because I knew you, as I knew you, I have been changed for good, just to blame. Things I've done you will blame me for. But then I guess we both have the things to share. And none of this seems to matter anymore. I'm in full for moment, it's your love. And it's what it's done, but we know not me. And say for the better. I do believe I have been changed for the better. And because